Welcome to YouTube Creator Channel with another video from your favorite nerd. Let's talk about super chats.
Now, the main reason you'll want to really look into putting super chats on your channel is, of course, extra revenue.
Super Chat and Super Stickers are a cool way of letting your fans support you directly. You can use them during live streams, which is why it's important to go live, which can be daunting, but you should do it.
Viewers can pay to have their comment pinned to the top of the chat box during a live stream or a video premiere.
At first, there was this sort of apprehension that being very British, we don't like asking for money for anything.
They're your fans for a reason. They really like you, and they often want to give more to you than just the ad impression at the start of the video.
Yeah, it's really easy to turn on. You just need to go to studio.youtube.com. In the left-hand menu, you just click on monetization, and then there's a menu at the top of the dash. You click on supers, get started, and then there are step-by-step instructions for how to set it up for your channel.
When I started hitting, tens of thousands of viewers, it became very difficult to keep up with the chat. And then with super chats, it's very easy when it's pinned at the top. If people have any questions they want to ask me, they can just put them in there, and I'll be able to see them.
I know with my stream, it usually means that people are enjoying what I'm playing, so I will continue to play that song if I get a lot of super stickers during that song, and I'll know that that's what they enjoy listening to.
There's always costs everywhere, lights, camera, internet, all these things add up at the end of the month. So you do need some sort of financial support to help you keep running the content for the fam.
I like to remind my viewers on the live stream there is no pressure from my end, but if they want to and they are able to, then that is hugely appreciated and goes a long way for me as a creator.
Allow the community to know the option is there and to talk about projects and allow them to make their own choice to use the super chat function.
Someone sent me £100. It was genuinely because they appreciated what I did, and that was touching to me.
I was doing a live stream, we were talking about cooking, word vomit out loud about my dream kitchen, and they were like, this is for your kitchen, this is for your stuff that you really want, and I was just like, oh my gosh, wow, that was mental. So on the next live stream, I had bought some of the equipment, and then I was unboxing it on the live stream and showing them my big new blender and all the kitchen stuff.
So with that in hand, when we do go live, how do we let the fam know that super chats are available?
One thing you can do as a creator to encourage more super chats is to give your viewers a goal, and then they can decide the next video topic.
As soon as people start, it encourages others to do it as well.
And it usually cycles itself, so the more I respond to my super chats, the more people post more super chats to get my attention, and it allows me to kind of selectively answer questions that my audience really want to know.
Whereas I try and interact with everyone. If you're putting up good questions or funny comments or something, I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's good to make your subscribers, your followers feel important and feel like a part of the channel, and that's why I call it a community more than anything.
You can also tie it to a bigger thing. We got all of our super chats in. We gave that back to the British wrestling industry that wouldn't be able to run shows during the coronavirus era.
I also find it essential to thank your super chatters and super stickers.
On our live streams, whenever someone super chats, it's like a party. We're like jumping up and down, there's notifications on the screen, and the community love it.
So I actually keep up with all of my super chats and memberships and super stickers because I'm super active with the chat. This is because I stream shiny hunting on Pokemon, which, if you don't know what it is quite repetitive. It doesn't take a lot of brain power to accomplish, so this does allow me to stay active within my community.
Now you know how to do super chats, why not go and watch the live stream video where I've got loads more tips for you there.
Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube Creators for more informative content. Take care and see you in the next one.